Welcome to the Sony BRAVIA Home Theater course for 2009. So let's get started. Every BRAVIA home theater system comes with a setup guide, and new for this year is that each and every BRAVIA home theater system comes with a setup disc. So if you take a look at the left hand side here, we have a list of all the BRAVIA home theater systems, and you select the unit you've purchased. So if we use, for example, the DAV HDX 285, it brings up a sub-menu that has headings such as speaker setup, SR station setup, listening to sound from your TV, wireless audio with SR. So depending on which home theater system you purchase, you'll have different sub-menus. A nice accessory that's available for BRAVIA home theater systems is the digital media port. And what this allows you to do is to plug in your video Walkman or your iPod and have complete control over the unit through your BRAVIA home theater system. So you can listen to all of your songs from your MP3 player. You can easily access the menu on your BRAVIA television as well. New for this year is the eye enhancer button. This is only available on the DAV units this year, and what it does is a filtering process to reproduce compressed audio more clear. So if you download MP3 songs and the audio fluctuates, this kind of levels it out to make it a more consistent audio, so you get good, clear, concise audio throughout all of your MP3 songs. If we move on, here's a list of all the digital media port cradles that are available. So the first is the TDM NW1. This is the Walkman cradle. The next is the TDM BT1. This is the Bluetooth interface, so you can stream audio from a PC, a laptop, or even your cell phone directly to your BRAVIA home theater system. The third and final one is the TDM IP10, which is the iPod cradle. So you just plug your iPod in and away you go. Next we move on to the first BRAVIA home theater system. This is the DAV HDZ 284. The key features with this unit is that it has 850 watts of total power, HDMI connectivity with 1080p output, it has BRAVIA Sync. What BRAVIA Sync is allows you to connect your home theater system to your BRAVIA television and control both units with one remote. So it eliminates the need to have multiple remotes for each component. It has the easy setup disc included, the eye enhancer indicator, as a movie and music indicator, and what this does is the BRAVIA home theater system actually recognizes whether you're watching a movie or listening to music and optimizes the sound quality for the given scenario. It also has a compact subwoofer so it can place easily in your living space and look nice and not protrude or anything with a big boxy subwoofer. The key feature this year is that select Sony home theater systems are going to be SR Digital Wireless Ready. SR stands for Sony Audio Interactive Radio Frequency. By relying on radio frequency to transmit audio wirelessly from the main unit to the rear speakers, you're able to enjoy surround sound that's free of signal interruption from physical objects and greater flexibility in speaker layout. As the rear amplifier tucks neatly out of sight, you'll not only be able to indulge in more stylish living without any wire clutter, but also uncompressed linear PCM audio that retains original sound integrity. The amplifier also features an integrated headphone output, providing added listening options. All you need is the WHAT SA1 SR surround amplifier that you see on the right hand side. So SR is the best way for everyone to enjoy multi-room music. If you purchase the wireless surround amplifier, you're able to have wireless rear speakers. But if you purchase the wireless audio receiver, you're able to listen to audio or music in any room of the house. So if you're all watching the hockey game, you have to keep getting up to go get chips or drinks from the fridge, you can place the audio receiver in another room and you can hear all the sounds of the game even when you leave the room, so you'll never miss a moment. SR offers high quality sound and plug and play compatibility for easy setup. The wireless audio receiver has 3 modes available with it. The first mode is the party mode. It plays back audio from the same source as the main unit over all receivers. So any BRAVIA home theater system that is SR ready can have up to 10 audio receivers hooked up to it, and they can be up to 50 meters away. So if you're having a party, there's people outside barbecuing, there's people in the living room, there's people in the kitchen, they can all hear the same audio throughout the house. The next mode is the separate mode. You're able to play music through the wireless audio receiver from an MP3 player or the tuner while someone is watching a DVD in the main unit. So you're not limited to hearing the same audio as the main unit. The third and final mode is the standby mode. You can actually play music from your MP3 player or the tuner while the main unit is actually powered off. So if no one is using the unit, you're not limited to what you can do. SR offers high quality sound and easy setup. This is what sets it apart from other technologies such as DLNA and Bluetooth. With DLNA, you're required to have a wireless LAN router and need a substantial amount of IT knowledge to set it up, where SAIR is very easy to set up. SAIR also features lossless support, which means by transferring your audio through radio frequency, you don't lose any of the quality whatsoever. Bluetooth uses compressed audio. Bluetooth is somewhat simple to set up. You have to pair 2 units, but you're limited with the amount of clients you can use. With SAIR, you can use up to 10 clients, and they can be up to 50 meters away. The next BRAVIA home theater system I'm going to talk about in our lineup is the DAV HDZ485. This unit boasts 1,000 watts of total power, and this unit is the first one that is SAIR wireless rear ready. So you can buy those accessories and have all the neat features that I just talked about incorporated into this unit. It also has 2 floor standing speakers and 2 bookshelf speakers. To step up from that model, we have the DAV HDX685. This unit has 4 floor standing speakers and a 5-disc changer, so it gives you a few added features and a better overall sound quality. Now I'd like to talk about the standalone BRAVIA home theater systems. Up first, we have the HDSS360 BRAVIA Theatre. The key features with this unit: it has 4 bookshelf speakers, 1,000 watts of total power, HDMI output, and it's able to output 1080p and 24 frames per second, so this makes it ideal for a Sony Blu-ray player. It also offers support for XV Color. It has S-Master digital amplifier, which allows it to process audio faster to give you better audio quality and clearer audio as well. It also features an HDMI repeater and 3 HDMI inputs in the back. So when we step up to the next model is the HDSF360 BRAVIA Theatre. The key differences between the 2 models is this one has 4 floor standing speakers to give you that better audio quality, and it is also SAIR ready. Now I'd like to show you a short video clip that shows you all the inputs of the HDSF360 BRAVIA Theatre. Here are the speaker inputs. You'll notice it's extremely easy to set up because all the wires are color coded. And as we move along the right, this is the input for the SAIR digital amplifier. And as we move further down the line, you'll notice there's a variety of inputs available for the home theater system. There's 3 HDMI ins, 1 HDMI out. You have the antenna for FM and AM. You have 3 audio ins, auto mic calibration input, as well as the digital media port input on the left hand side. And you have a coaxial video in, and you also have 2 optical ins. So this is the complete package for an all-in-one receiver. To build your ultimate Sony Blu-ray home theater solution, all you need is the BDP S360 Blu-ray player and either the HDSF360 or HDSS360 home theater system, and you have an all-in-one solution. They're built to complement each other both internally and externally. As you can see, they look almost identical. They match very well. When people are buying home theater systems or Blu-ray players, they like their components to match, and Sony does an excellent job of this. Thank you for viewing the Sony Home Theater course for 2009, and make sure you take the exam at the Convergineer website.